Hi. Today in the world's shortest threat modeling videos, I want to talk about sketching as part of how we answer what are we working on. And we can sketch on the back of an envelope, we can sketch at a whiteboard, but what we are doing is we are starting to put what's in our heads into a form that other people can engage with, can respond to, and that we can use to answer the question, what can go wrong? And so, the reason we sketch is because the first thing that comes into our head is probably imperfect. And so, by doing something in a non-permanent way, we acknowledge that, we can use it in dialogue, we can engage with other people, and so sketching is the first part of answering what are we working on.